Welcome to Shannon's Big World 2018 time. In today's video, I'll be showing you my first ever weather stuff collection. There's also accurate out there. So let's start with the WR120. This is WR120 radio. We'll do an alert test on each.
Degrees. The wind was west at 9 knots, and the water temperature was 39 degrees. At Goose's Reef buoy.
It's gonna be loud, guys. That's good. I don't know why this is so loud. Silent jazz. This is the moving on to the WR300 radio.
Virginia, in transmitting on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz from an antenna located in Pikesville, Maryland. Here is a look at the weather features that will affect the region over the next several days.
Now let's do an alert test.
Seasonable conditions.
Oops, here we are. Right. I'll do the siren test until it says 2 minutes. Moving on to my two final radios, Radio Shack 262, and we'll do that one last after this radio. So this radio is the last one I've got. I'll have Radio Shack radio unboxing. So this says channel. Sorry if you can't see it that much, but I don't know why, but you can see it above here, right? See? Maybe if you get a closer look. No. It says channel 1.
Mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 40s. Lows in the lower 30s.
Now let's do an alert test. This is a loud siren test too. I'll just end it. Alright. It's emergency radio. I'm not too interested in, but this is still emergency radio. Let me show you.
This can't be injected with pork products, as most vaccines use a pork.
Gee, it's so loud. There we go. Jeez, it's so loud. Alright, move on. Anyways, let's move on to my accurate stuff. There's my lightning detector. See, some lightning detected. Yeah, that was cool. And here's a accurate thing.
Hi.
Oh! Here's my love station out there. Here's my weather station. Alright guys, let's wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video. Leave comments down below. Press the notification bell so you don't miss any of our reels. You do.